If you want to enhance your truck's hitch, take a look at these innovative gadgets for trailer hitches. The Pack Mule Scout, one of those must-have trailer hitch accessories, has been developed with those in mind who need additional space, whether for transporting gear to sports fields, enjoying a day at the beach, or making a quick weekend getaway. Weighing just 37 pounds, the Scout facilitates both short trips and bulky loads, thanks to a design that simplifies loading and access to your belongings. The guide tube is not only easy to handle, but also simplifies securing equipment using mule straps, and is compatible with additional accessories such as bike bits, rod holders, and cinch locks. The integrated platform turns the Scout into a convenient workspace for organizing gear, while its universal design allows installation on any vehicle with a 2-inch receiver hitch, including Jeeps, trucks, vans, and Land Cruisers. But undoubtedly, you can't overlook the following gadget. It's time to introduce you to one of these essential trailer hitch gadgets. The Ultra Swing is not just a simple swing-away tire and gear carrier, it's a complete and versatile solution for your transportation and adventure needs. With the ability to mount a spare tire, carry additional fuel, load bikes, or even function as a surface for preparing food while exploring, this device becomes the perfect companion for your travels. The exceptionally robust construction ensures that the Ultra Swing not only meets but exceeds your expectations. Regardless of the terrain conditions or loads you face, this carrier is designed to withstand any challenge. The combination of strength and versatility turns your trailer hitch into a multifunctional tool, ready to adapt to any situation in the exciting life on 4 wheels. Do you know what another exciting tool is? The one you're about to see. Another essential hitch-mounted accessory, the HS20 bump hitch step, goes beyond being a simple step, as it serves a dual function by also becoming a bumper. This HS20 rear stop features a clever spring mechanism that facilitates its automatic folding when not in use, efficiently transforming it into a sturdy urethane impact plate. The versatility of this design stands out by providing a functional solution both for easy access to the rear of trucks and SUVs and for providing a layer of protection to molded bumpers, especially in potential collision situations. It is essential to note that, in some cases, other hitch steps might cause interference with exhaust systems, but the careful design of the HS20 addresses this consideration to ensure seamless compatibility. This ingenious and multifunctional approach demonstrates quality and care. Another high-quality gadget is the one you're about to see. Speaking of hitch carriers, the hitch tent represents a platform connected to the hitch designed to enhance the convenience, versatility, and comfort of a roof tent system. Remaining upright during transportation, the hitch tent quickly and easily unfolds on almost any type of terrain, thanks to its 4 fully adjustable legs and feet. With nearly 12 inches of height adjustment, the standard edition of hitch tent fits hitch receiver heights ranging from 16.5 to 28 inches, a common range for trucks and SUVs. The rear-mounted design frees up valuable roof space, significantly reduces wind resistance, and most crucially, provides a detachable base camp for unrestricted adventure. Additionally, there's a smaller edition available to accommodate smaller budgets. And if budget concerns you, why not check out the next tool? You can't afford to miss it. The Hitch Demon is more than an accessory. It's among the innovative gadgets for the tow hitch, the ultimate tool to elevate the customization of your truck or SUV. As the winner of the SEMA Global Media Award, this innovative Wi-Fi connected micro projector allows you to express your tastes and passions in a unique and personal way. Controlled directly from your smartphone, this device gives you the freedom to unleash your creativity and highlight what you're most passionate about. In addition to its advanced technology, the Hitch Demon is highly versatile. Designed to fit most standard 2-inch hitch receivers, it's compatible with a wide range of vehicles, from pickup trucks and vans to RVs and SUVs. No matter what type of vehicle you drive, this accessory offers you the flexibility to fully express yourself through custom projections. Cool, right? But one of the best gadgets is coming up next, so stay tuned. This is much more than a hitch cargo carrier. Transform your vehicle into an even cozier and passion-filled place by incorporating hitch and sit seats, which not only offer comfort, but also proudly display the logo of your favorite team, whether professional or collegiate. These seats are versatile and perfect for various occasions, from cornhole events and fishing tournaments to tailgates, camping, beach volleyball games, shore fishing sessions, and family gatherings. The Better Bench seating systems not only provide you exceptional comfort, but also add a personalized touch to your vehicle. You can customize them with the logo of your favorite sport, or even incorporate the custom logo of your business, offering a unique solution that reflects your style and passions. And speaking of style, you'll be the envy of all your friends when you show them the next gadget for your trailer. Gadgets for the tow hitch that truly represent a revolution. Hitch Theaters has developed a portable projection screens and projector mounts that take you to a whole new experience of outdoor movie watching. Your personal drive-in experience not only takes you outdoors, but to anywhere you can imagine, with 3 basic setups. The portable projector screen from Hitch Theaters is a game changer for movie lovers everywhere. It features a unique, fully telescopic and locking hitch arm that slides into the hitch receiver of any hitch-equipped vehicle. This telescopic feature is crucial for watching a movie in the bed of your truck, as it allows the viewer to adjust the projection distance from the projector mount to the screen, customizing the size of the projected image. These arch devices, trailer hitch accessories specially designed for tractors, stand out as ideal solutions for tackling challenges in both forestry and urban environments. Robustness is a standout feature of these arches, available in 2 different sizes. The T30 model, designed to handle logs up to 30 inches in diameter and weighing up to 4,000 pounds, provides an 8-foot reach and the ability to transport a fully suspended 16-foot log. In comparison, the T36 model can handle logs up to 36 inches in diameter and up to 6,000 pounds in weight, with a 9-foot reach to transport an 18-foot log. These versatile arches demonstrate their capability by being able to load logs of 30 feet or more, especially when a recovery arch is used as the rear axle to raise the rear end. Their strength and handling capacity make them essential tools in various applications. We're already reaching the end of the video. Do you know what that means? You're about to see the best gadgets. These trailer hitch gadgets are almost too good to believe. Tailgate & Go redefines the outdoor cooking experience with its portable kitchen and dry box, offering a versatile solution for preparing meals in any environment, whether in the backyard or out in nature. The company, Tailgate & Go LLC, is a family-owned, operated, and patented business in Colorado, with an unwavering commitment to fully American manufacturing. As a small business, they strive to provide exceptional customer service and ensure excellence in every product. The Tailgate & Go kitchen is not just a practical and functional accessory, but also an expression of the quality and dedication that characterize their team. Tailgate & Go recognizes the importance of family by creating products that not only meet outdoor cooking needs, but also foster family bonding and shared experiences, all portable and transportable on the trailer hitch. Cool, right? But the next accessory will make your life much easier. This robust 12-volt motorized hitch lift from Vestal will be an indispensable cargo carrier for the trailer hitch. It features a sturdy platform with dimensions of 28 inches wide and 25 inches long, with a maximum load capacity of 550 pounds. It fits a standard 2-inch receiver bar, offering multiple pin positions to accommodate various depths of the tailgate, extends 52 inches when lowered and 47 inches when raised. Additionally, it has a built-in adjustable limiter device that allows leveling the deck plate with the truck bed height or ground level. The hitch lift includes a 21-foot cable set for battery connection and features 2 stage stabilizing leg sets for increased stability. It also includes securing straps to ensure loads stay in their proper position. The Umbre can become an essential cargo carrier for the trailer hitch, designed to directly attach to the standard hitch receiver of cars and trucks. It features engineering that integrates a winch and a simple pulley system. This combination allows efficient raising and lowering of the tarp while providing the versatility to pivot it as needed. Thanks to the use of CAD software, it was possible to quickly model various iterations of the idea before making the final decision to acquire materials. This approach provided a detailed insight into how the idea would materialize, allowing for adjustments and perfecting the design. We've seen 11 amazing gadgets that should not be missing from your trailer, but we've decided to save the next one for last because it's the best. GearSpace offers an exceptional storage capacity of 34 cubic feet, perfect for transporting anything from luggage to 2 bicycles and more. The robust and durable construction includes an easy-to-operate telescoping slide feature, making convenient access to the rear door and van rear door. Weighing 150 pounds empty, with a capacity for 350 pounds of cargo, 500-pound gross weight rating. Slides to access the vehicle's rear door on a sturdy and stable twin-tube platform. Provides up to 11 inches of clearance installed on the vehicle, from the hitch pinhole to the capsule, and 32 inches of telescopic space slid out to access the rear door while parked. Integrated hitch riser for increased rear ground clearance. Solid, durable, and water-resistant construction for long-lasting performance and reliable protection of your belongings.